there. Oh, well, I think I want to tell you guys about the fashion contest that I have decided to make. Anyways, well, first I gotta show you the Hall of Fame. It's pretty empty. Anyways, well, I'm going to make a fashion contest. It'll be a fashion LPS contest, and I would like you guys to make video responses to it, where you either use a really fancy looking LPS, custom LPS, or you could just dress one of your little pet shops up really pretty and stuff. But anyways, yeah, I've decided to make this contest, and let me talk to you about the Hall of Fame right over there. Anyways, well, with the Hall of Fame, the winners, the name of their channel will be put right on the wall. Sorry it's so dark. Yeah. Anyways, if only I could put a light in there somehow. But I don't have any lights. But, well, maybe I do, maybe I don't. I don't know. Anyways, back to the contest. Well, like I said, you can just make a really pretty LPS. Like, make it look pretty by making it be a custom LPS. And if it's a custom LPS, you'll have to show what you use, what you're using for it, and you painting it. And then just leave it alone and show the LPS for a while, and then you can end your video. But if it's one you dressed up, you can actually, also with the custom LPS thing, you could also just make little pet shop. You could also make, you could also wait till it's dry and then make the video and make a little LPS short with it. And I would really like that. I'd rather have you do that than the other thing. But if you if you just dress it up really pretty, I'd like an LPS short. Like, it has to be about a fancy, pretty LPS. Either it's a custom or a normal LPS that you dressed up really pretty. Or and with dressing it up really pretty, not only could you just make a short, you could also show you dressing the little pet shop up. I would also like that, but I'd rather have the short for the LPS video. So if you don't want it to take, if you just want to show it painting or you dressing up your little pet shop, then that's fine. I'm fine with that, but I'd rather have you make a short with it. Okay? So, yeah. Bye!